Alright guys, I'm down here in the creek, just walking, and there's a blue crane. Or there's some sort of long neck bird down there. It's hunting fish, I think. Let's see how close we can get to it. It's probably a very dumb idea, and how it could just fly at me and attack me or something crazy like that, but it's just staring. It's like a dinosaur. I know that's kind of what all birds look like. But this bird, like, you think some look like dinosaurs? This one's almost as tall as me, actually. I'm like 4'11" or something like that. Hold on, it's walking. Look at that, that's like a dinosaur. It's like a dinosaur. I'm so close to it right now, guys. I know the camera doesn't look like I'm that close to it. But like, sorry, I'm trying to keep my eye on it and also not fall. I'm walking through a creek right now. Look at it. This might be as close as we're able to get, guys. Sorry if it's a little shaky. Yeah, it's some sort of herring, I think, because it got like some soup. It's super, definitely a big bird. I'm not too worried about snakes right now because sorry, I almost tripped. Look at it. Let me know in the comments what kind of bird this is. Can y'all believe that was a dinosaur at one point? Or something like that? Like, alright guys, hey, like, subscribe, do all the things, and I'll try and find more birds. So, peace.